Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable Steam family sharing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, library, community, and your profile. Also here we have the search bar and we have your store, categories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable Steam family sharing. So first of all, enabling Steam family sharing allows you to share your game library with up to 5 other accounts on up to 10 devices. Launch the Steam client on your computer as we did and click on the Steam in the top left corner and select settings. Click Steam here and one before last, settings. In the settings menu, click on family. So you just need to go and find the family, which is the third option here, as you can see. Check the box next to authorize library sharing on this computer and click OK. Scroll down to eligible account section and select the account you want to share your library with. Log out of your Steam account and log in with your account you want to share your library with. On the new account, go to Steam, Settings, Family, and click Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. Select your Steam account from the list of legible accounts. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.